Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use your manual camera settings, which include aperture, shutter speed and ISO. I'm here today with my beautiful mother, who's going to help me demonstrate all of these things. Aperture relates the opening in your lens through which light travels. The wider this hole, the more light gets through to your sensor. Wider apertures are characterized by a very shallow depth of field, as can be seen in this initial shot, creating significant depth between what's in focus in the foreground and what's not in the background. A small aperture, as seen in the second image where the hole is much smaller, creates less depth between the foreground and background, keeping everything in focus. Shutter speed is the length of time that your camera's sensor is exposed to light, or in other words, how long it takes your camera to take a photo. Not only does it control the light intake, but also controls your camera's ability to capture motion. A fast shutter speed, as seen in this shot, is able to freeze motion, which is great for sports, wildlife and other fast-paced photography. A slow shutter speed, as demonstrated in this shot, creates motion blur. This can be great for taking milky-looking long exposures, or alternatively help in low-light situations like astro or night photography. ISO is simply your camera's sensitivity to light. The higher your ISO, the brighter your image will be. In daylight, there is plenty of natural available light, so your camera doesn't need a high ISO. However, in low light situations, a higher ISO will allow you to capture images even if there isn't much available light. However, higher ISOs have consequences. As you increase your ISO, you will also increase the amount of grain in your image. The sharpest images will come from using a low ISO. All three of these settings can be tweaked depending on your location and available light in order to expose your shots correctly. The best way to really master them is to shoot solely on manual mode and try to take photos in all sorts of different conditions. Okay guys, so that's it for this week. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about how to use your manual settings in your camera. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. And if you want to see more every Thursday, please subscribe to the channel.